Hello, I'm Santwana Bayaskar, and I am a sing-sound recordist and a documentary filmmaker. It was great to learn so much from the kids of Chitkara International School. I basically taught them to listen, to use their ears. I think it's one of the least used senses. Um, and it was great to learn from them how to listen, how much to listen, and how we can be sensitized to this world through the ears. And we also learned a very basic sound recorder called Zoom H6. So there was a technical part also. So we talked about everything, मम्मी के आवाज़ का पिच क्या है, किचन में जब कोई बर्तन गिरता है तो तुम कैसे उसको सुनते हो, अगर तुम उस किचन में हो तो कैसे सुनते हो, तुम बाहर हो तो कैसे सुनते हो. So it started from these little things, but then we really digged into the emotional part of it, and students made stories from how a child is playing with a ball and shows his anxiety with the sound throughout the story, and they all wrote stories with the help of a particular sound as an emotion. And I think that is a very different take on cinema in general. And the good part was that they already knew what they were doing. It was just me who I just had to trigger those points, and they already knew. They have the stories, they have the emotions, they have the ears to sense it. And it was the first year of introduction of sound in CineMaestro. It has been very emotionally moving and creatively moving experience, and I hope that we continue this, and next year we should really uh, make the sound and image grow together, like not separate, because that is what is cinema. If you just shoot the images, it's not. So yeah, from this year we have a great mission, and I'm just grateful to be here. I'm really thankful to visit this school, and yeah, the kids are great. The way you're grooming them is amazing. I mean, their sensitivity towards their surroundings is because of this school. So all credit to you. You're building the future, and thank you so much.